Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can turn a Google form into a quiz. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to go to Google Form and then you would click on the first link and you can sign into the account for Google Form. So here you can create a blank form, and then in this blank form it will have the first template. So right now it is just a normal form, but if you want to turn this into a quiz, you can go to settings, click on make this a quiz, and then there are several options for the quiz. You can either click in one of these options like showing the grade immediately after the submission, or you can not showing the grade and only show it after we review the submission. Or you can also change the point value for each question and how you're gonna collect the email address every time the responder answer your question. So after you make all of these changes, you're gonna publish the quiz, and then anyone with the link will be able to respond to the form that you created. Let's say I copy this link and then I give it to someone on the internet to answer my Google form. It will show me these options. So this will be a quiz, and then let's say I click on this option 1 and then I submit it. Then this form will be recorded and I will see the answer on this page. And that is how you can make a Google form as a quiz. Thank you.